Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. It's going to be another Christmassy one since we're in the Christmas times. It's going to be not a classic red. I did that already, previous video, you can check that out. But it's going to be much more of like a soft glam. I think I'm just going to go for a nice simple shimmer on the eyes and just a soft glossy nude lip. Before I get into that, I just want to show off these pieces that Ana Luisa sent me. So I've got these earrings here, which are absolutely stunning. These are called Angela. So I wanted the pieces that match. So I got the earrings, the necklace, and the bracelet here, which look amazing. So the earrings are Angela. This necklace here is called Claire. Really beautiful. I love the design on this. The bracelet I have here, this is called Lucy. So I wanted a matching set because I absolutely love matching sets. I love them. So Ana Luisa sent these out to me. Again, thank you. They are super beautiful, really elegant. I do love a simple design. Now, simple doesn't mean boring or basic. It just looks, I think, to me, the most expensive. Sometimes big and blingy is lovely as statement pieces, but this I'm just more of a simple thin necklace, thin bands, thin everything. I like everything nice and petite and pretty. So these are the pieces they sent me out. I do have a little link in the description below if you do want to purchase them. They are having like an end of year sale at the moment, so have a look. I think this jewelry is going to work really nicely with the look because it's going to be quite a nice glam. It's going to be soft, simple, and almost like an everyday, but with a little zhuzh to it. So yeah, thank you Ana Luisa for sending these out to me. Check them down in the link below. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm using the CosRX Synergy, Propolis Synergy Toner and the Propolis Light Ampule. So I used that before I've put on this moisturizer, which I did off screen. This moisturizer is the CeraVe. Yes, CeraVe with SPF, I think it's between 15 and 25. Day cream. Really nice, really moisturizing. Do enjoy that one quite a bit. Really rich. And then I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation in 100 linen and the Revlon Skin Lights highlighter. Love it. Really makes my skin glow. I just love the way it makes my skin look not bronzy, because it is a deeper, bronzier highlighter, but it still makes my skin look glowy from within, you know, bars, rhyming. So yeah, using that, blending that in. Then I used the Eye Bright Revolution concealer. I think this is porcelain. And I use that underneath my eyes. It really brightens up my under eyes without looking too heavy, without being too cakey either. I just kind of like the way it looks. It's not thick. Right, so this is the Huda Beauty Tantor in Fair. I just apply this with my fingers. It is a cream contour bronzer. I just love this so much. It blends so nicely into the skin. Although it might look too orange my skin, as you can see, it blends out really beautifully and seamlessly, and it just gives me such a nice, like, bronzy contoured glow. And then I add the Physicians Formula. I think this is the Muru bronzer. I think that's what it's called, but love this bronzer. It's buttery. It has like almost like a creamy texture, even though it's powder, but it gives me such a lovely bronze look, and I'm quite fair, so it doesn't look too crazy on my skin, and I just think it blends a lot nicer. So this is the Morphe eyelid primer. Gotta add a bit of that on, you know, what can we say? It's just, it leaves the eyes creaseless, and it works. And I think I've had this particular one for a very long time now, and it lasts me a really, really long time, and it hasn't failed me, so I'll stick to it until further notice. So this is the Chocolate Gold palette. I think this is by Too Faced. Let me just bring up the names for you here. So I'm using that quad. I'm starting off with So Bougie, and that's a really nice light brown shade, and I'm just washing that across the eye. just to start off with my base color. So this is how I usually do my eyeshadow. I start off with a base color, I go with shadowing, and then I go in with shimmer last. That's always been my technique. This color is called Cocoa Truffle. She's a nice brown color. This palette smells of chocolate. It smells so good. As soon as you open it, it's like an explosion of sweet chocolatey flavor in front of your face, and it's beautiful. But I'm putting that color on the outer parts of my eyes, as you could see. That was just blending it in, bringing some shadow in. Then I'm using Decadent, which is a black matte shade, which I'm using with a smaller brush just to shadow on the outer parts of my eyes, because all I'm trying to do is create some shadowing on the outer parts of my eyes and then putting some shimmer on the inner parts to the center. And that always, for me, works out the best, because you have a beautiful shimmery inner corner and center, and like a nice shadowy outer corner eye. So the shade that I'm putting on the shimmer is called Classy and Sassy, and she's cute. She's got like a bronzy pink undertone, and I just think that as a quad works so well together. I feel like this palette has got a lot of shimmers in it, and it's only got like 4 mattes, but I think that quad in itself works well. This is the Rimmel Wonder Swipe. It's a 2-in-1 liner and shadow. This is in 001 Soleil. I will never stop going on about this. This is one of my favorite products to use for anything. It is so shimmery and beautiful. So if you blend it out after putting it on, it becomes such a beautiful shimmer. Or you can leave it as a liner. But it's amazing. I love it. And this is a mixture of 3 different highlighters. You know, your girl's got a glow. I think I'm using Fenty Beauty How Many Carrots. I'm using Wet n Wild Blossom highlighter, and I'm also using I Heart Revolution Goddess of Faith highlighter. I've had that for like 10,000 years and it's still doing me very well. Then I'm using, this is the Morphe 8C Cool Pro palette. I think I used the shade It Girl. He shouts to Megan Thee Stallion. So that is a beautiful shade I only put on the sides of my cheeks, not on the actual apples of my cheeks. That's just how I like it. This is NYX Cosmetics. This is in Nude Truffle, my favorite lip liner. You can't go wrong with a nice soft nudish brown lip liner with anything. And this is a new brand. This is called Mina, and it's called 590 The Lipstick, and it's a lovely nude. And it pairs up quite well. And then that is Misguided Lip Juice in Glazed Over. Beautiful shimmery bronze. Can't get over shimmers, can't get over bronzes. Just bring them all to me and I'll wear them all. So that's pretty much the look. Okay, so this is the final look. It is, to be honest, it's kind of like a nice simple bronze glam look. With a bit of sparkles. I think for Christmas it's nice to have a bit of glitter, a bit of sparkle. It's just, you know, it gives it a little bit of an oomph in the look if you add a little bit of sparkle to it. So this is the look. It's glowy, it's cute, and I think it pairs along well with the jewelry that I got going on. Again, this is the Ana Luisa jewelry. I have the link down below. It is an affiliate link, so you do get a percentage off if you use my link. So again, thank you for sending me these pieces. They're really pretty. I think they go really well, and I'm an absolute fan of pieces like this. So you can't go wrong with items like this. They're just beautiful, they're simple. A little bit goes a long way, like when you use makeup. That's just how it is. Even though it's nice and delicate, a little goes a long way. So again, thank you Ana Luisa for sending me these items, and this is the final look. So if you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.